Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys for any of you that have any car. It could be BMW, Mercedes guys. It could be German, American, Asian vehicles. If you want to see how to replace door lock actuators, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Now, that will work on front and rear door with some minor exceptions. We'll talk about that. The concept will apply to multiple vehicles, of course with some minor differences, but we'll talk about that. We'll explain where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste money and time guys. Make sure to stay until the end, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Every single car guys that we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine, fuses, codes, transmissions, all that stuff guys. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Check out guys our YouTube channels, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, here for the door lock actuator, what you usually need to do in order to replace one guys, okay, we'll come right here. You need to guys remove the door panel. So the door panel is removed, we need to replace door lock actuator, and here guys, that's our door panel. Usually you will have some hidden screws under the door handle. We have two here guys under the door handle, that three of them by the way, that we need to remove. And once you do that guys, okay, you need to go ahead and just pull that panel off. Usually have a few clips, and once you get it out guys, you get to that part that looks like this one. But in order to remove the door lock actuator now, we first need to often remove the we need to put the window up, and in some cases you may need to remove the window regulator as well. It really depends on the car. In some cases you may need to do that guys. So we will see if we'll be able to do it without removing it, okay? So in our case, okay, if you have on the rear, you're replacing door lock actuator, in some cases you may need to remove the rear little window here and that thing there as well. But here, what we're going to do, okay, we have 10mm socket, we're going to remove now, okay, 3 nuts that we have, okay, right there. Now the problem here is that we're replacing door lock actuator, which is that device right here, and window regulator at the same time because it failed. Both of them kind of like failed. So what we're going to do now guys, okay, unfortunately the window is still attached here. We need to release the window guys, okay. Usually you need to bring it to certain position so you can unhook it. We'll explain about that in a second. In our case, because the window regulator failed guys, okay, we need to remove the window motor separately, because we cannot bring the window up. If we were able to bring the window up, that would be no problem, but fortunately we cannot do that. So we're going to go ahead, unhook it now, okay. So it will be, okay, it will be stuck, but it will come loose. Watch the cable here, okay, everything's messed up because of that. Now we're going to go ahead, okay, and disconnect it here. We're going to show you in a second how to do that. So we're going to push a little bit and it's going to release, and here is, if we bring it to that hole right there, you will be able to release your window. Okay, I'm going to grab on top and pull a little bit more. Okay, let's see now. Okay, hold the window. Here guys, okay, the clip is right there, that green clip needs to be pushed in. Once you push it in, okay, at the same time, okay, we'll need to release the pressure. We'll be able to disconnect it, but I will need to get a screwdriver. So guys, here, okay, I'm going to reposition it, press it here. Okay, we'll release it. I almost did it, and then it snapped again. Okay, window is out of the holder. Now we can pull that window up. Okay, we need to hold it or tape it so it can stay there because nothing is holding it. The regulator itself now, it will come guys only in certain angle. Okay, that thing will come on in certain angle here. Okay, let's see. It's going to come. Okay, this way. Okay, it came out just like this one. So we can continue with the next step. We'll tape the window to stay up, okay, like this one guys, so it doesn't go anywhere, and you can see that's a regulator that failed for us, and now we'll be replacing the door lock actuator. We'll be able to reach it now. So we're going to disconnect the cable. Sometimes you disconnect it before or after. Here we're going to remove 2 bolts for the door lock actuator. Sometimes it could be 3 on a rear door. Sometimes you need to remove the rear little window here, and that area that goes, we'll see if we have to. Our 3rd bolt is hidden on the inside under the panel on this car specifically. Now let's go ahead, okay, and see what else, guys, okay, hold it in place, if we have anything else specifically that actually holds that door lock actuator, because when it's installed on the car, practically, okay, it will be that way. So we're going to go ahead, release it, and we need to disconnect, okay, the exterior door handle to be able to do that. In order to do that, here you have a cap, okay. That cap, I cannot remove it. Oh, yeah, careful. Okay, perfect. Here, guys, okay, you need to find the tool that fits here. Let me see exactly what it is and we'll continue. Here, guys, usually Torx. Okay, it's bigger than this one. It's 20, Torx 20 that we'll need to get here to be able to do that. So let's see if Torx 20 will do it. Okay, it goes in an angle, so we'll not be able to do it with Torx 22. Okay, let me see if we can get one of the other ones to fit in here. So we got one of the sockets in, okay, the other way. Let's unscrew. When you unscrew, guys, okay, let's keep going. Here we have the light, and it's complicated door handle on this one, but usually you have to release your door handle. Okay, a little bit more. You still need to go a little bit more here to be able to do that. Okay, this one, it's right there. Now we're not unscrewing probably. It still needs more, okay, to remove that portion of the door handle right here. Let me look at it now. Eventually, guys, okay, it came out perfect like this one. Careful, some cars will have light here. We pull to the back, careful with that light. I'm going to pull it out so we don't damage it. We'll release the handle now. The light again, it will come out, okay, like this one. Now here, okay, no, not yet. We need to remove one screw that holds the mechanism here to be able to release it. That screw is right here, a little bitty. Torx, probably that's a Torx 15, I don't know. Yep, Torx 15 here in our case. So this one here, let's go ahead, loosen it. Perfect, it slid out. Careful with the light, careful with everything here. Now let's see if we can pull it out of there. If it will have enough room to come out. Here will come the exterior door handle assembly together with the door lock actuator. And then you put them together and install it in reverse order. We took it apart. Don't pry on things. If you do, okay, things may break. So here we need to disconnect that cable. Okay, right there, this one. Let me grab a small screwdriver so I can unplug it. So we disconnected one of the cables. We're going to remove that clip here that holds it in place. Okay, this one broke, we'll need to replace it. Sometimes they will, because they could be quite old. Now we're going to go ahead and remove it here, okay, in an angle. It comes together with the exterior door handle assembly, okay. And here, guys, okay, comes out. You can see it just like this one. All we have to do, unhook the wire here, okay, unhook this one and install it on the new one. But that's it, guys. That's how we get to a window, to a door lock actuator. Not too complicated, but usually that will be okay what causes car door not to lock, unlock, not to close correctly as well. If you have any questions, let us know, guys. We keep making these free videos to save you as much money as we can. We have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.